Look, the budget audio market is absolutely flooded right now, but every single once in a while, a piece of gear drops that completely resets what we think is possible for the price of a cheap dinner. And honestly, this might just be that moment for 2026. We are talking about the brand new ZiiGaat X Vivir Digital Rumba, a massive collaboration with Roy's from Vivir Digital. If you are a certified bass head or if you just live for fast, rhythm-driven tracks, you need to stop what you are doing and pay attention, because this little set is an absolute dream on a budget. Now, before we even talk about how this thing punches, we have to talk about how it looks, because the attention to detail here is wild. Usually $35 earphones look generic, right? But the Rumba actually draws visual inspiration from iconic Latin American kinetic art, specifically referencing the legendary style of Carlos Cruz Diez. A graphic designer named Ani Valbuena put this together, trying to bridge the gap between visual color frequency and physical audio frequency. When you hold these glossy black resin shells in your hand, the alternating red and black lines create this crazy optical illusion, like a literal ocular vibration. It's all about capturing that raw passion, vitality, and heart of Latin American culture. And honestly, it looks beautiful. Even the box art is paneled, so you can unpack it and set it up as a literal art display on your desk. And check this out. When you first open the box, you get this cool greeting card with a custom QR code. Scan it and it takes you straight to official Spotify and Tidal playlists curated by Roy's himself. When it comes to the actual fit and hardware, ZiiGaat really poured the budget into what matters. The shells are lightweight, incredibly smooth, and they feature a 5.9mm nozzle that is a total lifesaver if you have smaller ears. You can easily wear these for marathon listening sessions without a single hint of ear fatigue. Plus, they went ahead and custom lengthened the stock cable to 1.35 meters. That's about 15 centimeters longer than the industry standard, which gives you all the extra slack you need. Alright, let's get into the actual sound, because the low end on the Rumba is the absolute star of the show. They packed a single 10mm Graphene Dynamic Driver inside a dual cavity structure, and the bassline performance is honestly out of this world. Graphene is incredibly fast, which means you get this massive, physical, visceral sub-bass extension and a heavy mid-bass punch, but with a natural, rapid decay. And here's the thing that trips up most budget V-shaped earphones. Usually, manufacturers just completely destroy the mid-range to highlight the bass, but the Rumba takes a completely different approach. It keeps the vocals surprisingly forward and clean. Male vocals have this great, rich note weight without ever feeling thin, and the upper mid-range climbs beautifully to make female vocals sound incredibly transparent and vivid. As for the treble, it strikes the perfect balance between high energy and safety. There's a nice little sparkle around 8 kHz to keep things airy, but they purposefully dipped the 6 kHz region to completely eliminate harsh sibilance. So yes, you can absolutely crank the volume up on your favorite thrash metal or fast electronic tracks without worrying about hurting your ears. Just keep in mind that the Rumba is pretty sensitive to your source. If you plug it into a super bright analytical amplifier, it's going to sound incredibly sharp and hyper-resolutive. But if you connect it to a warmer source, it smooths out into a perfectly balanced, deeply musical daily driver. And while it might not be a microscopic detail retrieval monster, the soundstage and spatial imaging are way above average for this price point, making it a fantastic sleeper pick for casual gaming. Look, at the end of the day, the ZiiGaat X Vivir Digital Rumba is an absolute standout. It proves that budget listeners don't have to choose between a massive, fun bass response and high-fidelity control. If you want a clinical, sterile tool to dissect every single tiny flaw in a recording, this isn't it. But if you want a warm, hard-hitting, beautifully designed earphone, this is an incredibly easy recommendation. If you want to grab a pair for yourself, I've dropped the official purchase link right down in the description below. And if you want to read through the full microscopic breakdown, you can find the link to the website for the complete in-depth article down there as well. If you enjoyed this video, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss the latest audio drops. Thank you so much for watching, and happy listening!